National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a tornado warning for northwestern Will County in northeastern Illinois, south central Cook County in northeastern Illinois, until 6:30 a.m. At 5:47 a.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Romeoville, moving southeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roof, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Lockport and Crest Hill around 5:55 a.m. Homer Glen and Lamont around 6 a.m. Bengals Park around 6:05 a.m. Other locations in the path of this tornadic thunderstorm include Orland Park, New Lenox, Mokina, Frankfurt Square, and Manhattan. This includes University of St. Francis, Chicagoland Speedway, Route 66 Raceway, Joliet Slammers Baseball, and Lewis University. Including the following interstates: Interstate 55 between mile markers 256 and 269. Interstate 80 between mile markers 130 and 148. Interstate 355 between mile markers 1 and 11, and near mile marker 13. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.